Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you some wolves. It's a set of bookends that I bought a while back at a flea market. I bought them maybe about 2 years ago, and I believe I paid $12 for the set of bookends. So I was cleaning up my Christmas mess, and as I was putting away one of my village houses, these things come in foam, right? With this foam in the box. So when I came across it, I said, wait a minute, I can use this foam as a cave for my wolves. So here it is. This is the display that I have for you. Now look at that. I'm going to zoom into them so that you can really appreciate the details. These two look like they're howling at each other. Look at that. And it all just looks like snow, a snow cave. This gave me an idea. Maybe for next Christmas I'll actually use this as a display for the wolves. Imagine you land in the middle of nowhere and you have to resort to hiding in a cave, and you go and this is what you find. Imagine that. They'll eat you alive. That is beautiful. Look at that. I love the way this looks in here. Looks so real. Looks like a real cave. Just a piece of foam like this. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed. I know that your time is valuable, and if you're here watching this, I hope that you have enjoyed it. And thank you again so much for being here. Thanks for watching.